Okay, so this question tells us to use the factor theorem to find all real zeros of this polynomial, given that this is a factor. And so your question was, how do you do synthetic division with this? So remember, when we do synthetic division, we are using the zero, not the factor. So if I set this factor to 0 and I solve, I bring the 4 over, and I divide the 3 on both sides. That means the 0 is 4/3, so that's what I need to do my synthetic division with. So let me show you that right here. That was like the worst straight line ever. It's hard to draw sideways with this. Okay, so we got 3, -4, -9, and 12. So I bring down the 3, and I'm going to go 4/3 of 3, and I'm just going to show my scratch work over here so that you can see what I'm doing. So 4/3 times 3, the 3's would cancel, and I'd be left with a 4 right there. And then -4 plus 4 is 0. 4/3 is 0, 0. Okay, that part was easy. -9 plus 0 is -9. And now I'm going to go 4/3 times -9. So 4/3 times -9. So that would go in 3 times, so that should be a -12 with that sign. And then there's that remainder 0 I would expect, because it's supposed to be a factor, so it should divide in evenly. So our first 0 is going to be at x equals 4/3, which is the one that we got up there. And then our next two zeros, we're going to have 3 altogether because it's a cubic. We'll rewrite this 3x squared, no x term, minus 9 equals 0. We could solve it a couple of ways. I'll go ahead and bring over the 9 and divide the 3. So 3x squared equals 9. Divide the 3 over, x squared equals 3. And then from there we will root both sides to get x by itself. Don't forget your plus or minus, because that's your other 0. So we get x equals positive root 3 and negative root 3, and that original 4/3 that they gave us up there. And so that would be our 3 solutions.